Okay, so I've got a Toyota 2021 Toyota Venza Hybrid Limited, and this steering wheel symbol came on. I've checked the fuses, they're all good. I've checked the air pressure to make sure there's no problems with the tires. I checked the connection on the battery, it's good, it's got good voltage, 12.6 roughly. And so I've done everything. I did do the steering trick where you turn the steering all the way to the right for 5 seconds, leave it there, and then turn all the way to the left and wait 5 seconds and leave it there, and then come back to neutral, turn it off, and then see if it comes back on. And it does. So I have an appointment with Toyota service. We'll see what happens next week, and we'll continue this video after another 6-7 days. But in your case, you'll be watching it right away because I'm going to put the video on right now. All right. So I had some work done here maybe a week ago, and they told me that it did disconnect the battery. So he's out there fixing it. He took it for a test drive, and we'll see if he fixes it. He has the right unit or code reader to reset it, I guess. So we'll see when he gets back. Okay, just got back from Preferred Auto Body, and they used their code machine thing, whatever you call it, and cleared the code, and we're good to go. So, okay, so if it's red and you have bad steering, it's probably another issue, but because they disconnected the battery, this light came on. So that's the reason why this one came up. You know, this car is a 2021. It doesn't have any issues. It never had any issues. So it's too new to have this type of issue. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope this helps you, because I was looking for a video just like this and I couldn't find one. They did say if the battery is disconnected, it may cause this problem. So that's what it was.